In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the latest features of Google Chrome 131. Whether you're using Chrome for work, study, or everyday browsing, this update brings some exciting improvements that you're definitely going to want to check out. Let's dive right in with the first feature, Gemini AI integration. Chrome 131 introduces Google's new AI assistant Gemini directly into your browsing experience. Imagine having an intelligent assistant at your fingertips that can summarize articles, answer questions, or assist with quick research as you surf the web. It's like having a built-in smart helper that can save you both time and effort, making your daily tasks a bit easier and more efficient. Just think about all the time you could save when Gemini does the heavy lifting and research for you. Moving on to the developers out there, this update brings improved dev tools, which now include layout shift insights and performance annotations. Developers will find it much easier to track the elements that might be affecting site speed and stability. Plus, Gemini is also integrated into DevTools, offering coding suggestions and testing assistance. This is particularly helpful for those working on optimizing websites or applications and can make your development process smoother and more efficient. Another exciting enhancement is the enhanced styling options. Developers can now easily customize expandable sections and print layouts, ensuring that websites not only look good on screens, but also print beautifully on paper. This opens up so many possibilities for making websites more user-friendly and visually appealing across different mediums. Chrome 131 also takes notification management to a new level. With smarter notification management, the browser will automatically turn off notifications from sites you don't visit often, thereby reducing distractions and keeping your browsing experience clutter-free. Imagine a quieter browsing experience where you only get notified by the sites that truly matter to you. Lastly, let's talk about security enhancements. In this update, Chrome has addressed several high-risk issues within its system, making your browsing experiences safer and more reliable. Keeping your browser updated ensures you benefit from these latest protections, safeguarding your data and privacy. Overall, Chrome 131 is truly a comprehensive update, focusing on AI innovation, better performance, and improved security. This makes it one of the most useful updates we've seen yet. If you want to try out these new features for yourself, make sure to update your browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to update your browser and try out these new features. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech updates. See you in the next video.